Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Selection. And today date is 2 March 2022. And today our topic name is method calling and different types of method. Firstly, we will discuss with method calling. How to call the methods in Java. The method is a collection of statements that performs a specific task or operation. It is widely used because it provides readability of code. Means that write once and use it many times. It also provides easy modifications. Each method has its own name by which it's called. When the compiler reads the method name, the method is called and performs the specified task. The method types of method. Calling a method: predefined method, user-defined method, static method, and abstract method. Firstly, we will discuss with calling static method in Java. The static method is a method that is invoked or called without creating the object of the class in which the method is defined. All the methods that have static keywords before the method name are known as a static method. We can also create a static method by using a static keyword before the method name. We can call a static method by using a class name and method name. The best example of static method is a main method. It is called without creating an object. The next is calling the predefined method. The predefined method are the methods that are already defined in classes. When we require any predefined methods, we just call the method by its name. The following example, we have used a method name hashcode of the class. The object to call predefined method hashcode, we have created an object of the object class because it is a method of the object class. By using object, we have called hashcode method and return a hashcode value of the object. The next is calling user defined method in Java. To call the user defined method, first we create a method and then call it. A method must be created in the class with the name of the method followed by parameters. The method definition consists of methods, headers, and method body. The next is calling abstract method in Java. An abstract method is a method that is declared with an abstract keyword. The abstract method only has abstract declaration. The body of the abstract method defined in the other class that abstract method must be declared in the abstract class. We can set a visibility of abstract method as a private or public. We can't declare an abstract method as a final because it advantages of the abstract method. Next is a return type of method. A return statement causes a program control to transfer back of the caller of a method. Every method in Java is declared with a return type, and it is mandatory for all Java methods. Return types may be a primitive type like int, float, double, and etc. A reference or a reference type or a white type means return nothing. There are a few important things to understand about the returning the value. The type of data returned by a method must be comparable with the return type specified by the method. For instance, if the return type of some method is a boolean, cannot be written an integer. The variable receiving the value returned by method must also be compatible with the return type specified for the method. The parameters can be passed in a sequence, and they must be accepted by the methods in the same sequence. This is a discussion about the calling method and return types of method in Java. Thank you.